This is my Harbor Freight Drill Master 4.5-inch angle grinder. This is the first grinder I ever purchased. I've had it about 6 years now, and it's treated me well. I think I paid 10 bucks for it with a coupon. They're like $15, but if you get the coupon, you can get it for about $9.99. And that's what I paid for this one. For being El Cheapo, it's really held up quite well. But I'm going to do a little maintenance on it today. My 6-year checkup. My little button that'll stop the wheel while you put a wrench on it or something and pull the disc off has been broken almost since the beginning of owning the tool. So what I do is I put a Phillips screwdriver in that hole if I need to, and it'll stop it. And then I can take the tool or take the disc off. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to first take off these 4 screws and pull this plate off and just see how the grease is doing in there. It has a lot of slop in it, and I'm sure the grease is all spread out, melted out. It's probably not in good shape. What's prompted me to do this is it's intermittent. Sometimes it'll come on, sometimes it won't. By the way, it's not plugged in at the moment. I'll turn it on and it'll just click, click, just buzz a couple times and then stop. So I suspect this machine needs new brushes. And it came with the brushes, and the amazing thing about that is not only did it come with the brushes, but I was able to find them after moving twice since I've owned it. And I still have the manual. That was amazing. I have been into the machine before. I had to cut about 1 inch off of this cord and redo the wiring because it used to have it had a short in it. That was about 1.5 years ago. My little stress relief is broken. But the cord's in good shape now, so let's pull it open and have a look. You just need to take out 4 screws here. It's pretty loud. I'm expecting it to be probably dry, or at least no more grease on the gears. All right, let's have a look inside. Yep, all the grease is spread away from the gears. So I'm just going to take my screwdriver. Let's look at this grease. Yeah, I think it's okay. Pretty dirty, but we're just going to redistribute it back over all the gears. It probably won't stay there very long. First time I turn it on, it'll throw it all off of there. See if I can get another 6 years out of it. I'll keep you guys posted. If you continue to watch the channel, we'll see how it is in about 1 year. Still turns nice and smooth, like the bearing is still good. All right, let's put this back. All right, feels pretty good. We'll put the screws back in. The next step is going to be putting these brushes in. Now I've never replaced the brushes on this, but there's 1 screw in the back. This needs to come out. This is the same place you need to go if you need to shorten the wires so you can get rid of a short in the cord or something if you have a short up real close on the cord. Take out that screw. That back comes off of there. And then you've got a brush on either side. All right, I'm going to take the screw out. We'll look and see. Okay, there's a little indent on both sides. That little slit right there, you need to stick something, small screwdriver in there to be able to pop the brush out. Yeah, it's a bit tricky, but it just has two little clips. Got to press one in so you can pull that out. So there's the difference, 6 years versus brand new. There's only about 1/8 of an inch difference in the two in length. But we'll pop the new ones in. Maybe this spring is wore out or something, I don't know. Still feels springy. Not as springy as that one. Another thing you can do is clean that rotor off a little bit with a pencil eraser. I'm just going to hold that on there and spin the grinder with my fingers. So it looks a little cleaner, nice and shiny. Just kind of pinch that together and push it in there. And it's a finicky little thing. Alright, that's what it looks like when you got it finally put in there. So let me put this screw back in and then we'll do the other side. That one was a lot shorter than the previous one. So that's probably the problem. Here's the old one. There's the other old one. So one side wore quite a bit more than the other. And then here is a new one. That took a while to fiddle those little things in there, but they're both clipped in like they should be. And they're sitting right where they should be, so let's put the back on and we'll see if it'll run. Thanks for watching.